Hi everyone, welcome to our first recording for this chapter on algebra. This is a new chapter at primary 6. This is page 23, a level 2 word problem involving algebra. Now you would have heard previously from the previous parts of the chapter about algebra, algebraic expressions and algebraic equations. And then the previous questions have also helped you to solve problems step by step by parts, giving you a guide to helping you decide beforehand what algebra is represented, what character is being represented by the algebra, and then towards solving the questions. Now we are looking at level 2 questions now. So in this question, as you read, you realize that you've got to be the one deciding which one shall I put as algebra. Let's look at this one. This is question number 1. There are 273 people at the cinema. There are 85 more children than adults. How many children are there at the cinema? But I could solve this without using algebra. You can use it like a whole number. But let's try to use algebra here and see how it's going to be useful here. So like how we solve word problems, we will have established that, okay, there's a whole relationship here. There's all the people here, and part of the people, there's adults and there's children. And then by the word more children, you realize that children is the bigger number. There's more of them. And there's a difference of 85. And the question asks for children. Now, so you don't know adults, you don't know children. So you can choose to either express children as the X, the algebra, or adults as X, chosen in the algebra, as the missing identity. So if I were to draw a model out, so let's start to help me to decide. I will have more children, so children being a longer bar, and a shorter bar, the adults. And then like how we learn sum and difference, there's this difference here. This is 85, and altogether that's 273. So looking at this, you can decide. I can express X for children, or I can express X for adults. So which one is better? You can decide. For me, I would like to see how I can express it easily, likely because I can see repeated units. So just like how we do model drawing, I can see that this is a repeated unit here, and this is a repeated unit. So I probably like to choose to express adults as the X instead. So I will choose to put that X be the adults, because you can see it's repeated. So it's just like saying that I can have 2 units X here, and then like how we solve a whole number question, I use the total, subtract the difference. So this is the difference between the children and adult. I'll be able to find the 2 units. So let X be adults. So remember, later you have to find children. Okay. So if adults is X, that means children will be X plus 85. That's the difference. Okay. So altogether is 273. So adults plus children is 273. Meaning you can see from the diagram already, is 2x plus 85. So adults X, children is X plus 85. That's 273. Now it's the same as saying the statement here, 2 units, right? So do 2x plus 85 equals to 273. And from here, if I take away 85 from one side of the equation, I take away 85 from the other side of the equation, because they are equal. They're supposed to be balanced like a seesaw. If I take away something on this side, minus 85 here, you get 2x minus 85 from the other side. So you realize that you get the same expression as here. 2 units is equals to 273 minus 85. And then get you to 2x equals to 273 minus 85. Do your regrouping. 488, right? So from 188, that's 2x, I can find x. So act as a reminder, s is adults. Okay, so divide 188 divided by 2, 1x will be 94. And then you have to find the last step. The last step is children. So how many children are there at the cinema? There will be x plus 85. So it will be 94 plus 85. So you get your answer, 179. Please check if you got that correct. If I had done that correctly. See? Okay. So there are 179 children at the cinema.